It was scary, but it was actually fun. So yes, I have. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, where have you been, love? You're welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be answering some questions. That is, this never have I ever. Yes, I've not done it, so I'm doing it now for the first time over here on this channel. So if you're interested in seeing this, then you need to see this video till that. So guys, as I said earlier, I'm going to be answering never have I ever questions here today. So if you're new here and you've not pressed the subscribe button, what have you been waiting for, darling? Press the subscribe button by supporting me. Yes, if you want to see more of me on your screen, then you need to press that subscribe button. Don't forget to like, comment and share. So let's jump right into it. Never have I ever broken a bone. Oh, never. I've not. Have I ever been on a boat? Well, I have. Funny enough, this year, yes, it was this year that happened. It was scary, but it was actually fun. So yes, so never have I ever used a fake ID. Nah, I don't do that. Never. I've not used a fake ID. No, have not. Never. Have not. Never have I ever got serious hangover. I don't drink, guys. Yeah, I don't drink, so I cannot have an hangover. So no, I haven't. Okay? Never have I ever crashed a wedding. I've never. Never have I ever pranked someone. What? Countless times. I have. Over and over, and I'll keep doing it. Like, yes, I have. Never have I ever climbed out of a window. Well, in this aspect, as a Nigerian lady or as a Nigerian girl, I have. Funny enough, in my secondary school, yes, I have. The window was not so high because I have this smallish body, but everybody was surprised when they saw me jumping out from the window. So, yes, guys, I have. Yes, darling, I have. Never have I ever ate an entire pizza by myself. What? Entire pizza, guys. I cannot. I know I'm a foodie, yes, but no, like 2-3 slices, like I'm okay when it comes to pizza. So no, I've never have I ever got a tattoo. I'm not a tattoo person. Yes, this is an expo. I'm not a tattoo person, so I've never had a tattoo on any part of my body before, and I will never, and I'm not planning ever to. So it's a no. Okay. Never have I ever got stopped by airport security. I have. Yes. From Lagos, when I was coming back from Lagos with my aunt and the family, they went ahead, so I had to stay back to pick our luggage. So the security had to stop me my ticket. I forgot to show them my ticket. Like my ticket for them to claim it. So yes, I have once. Never have I ever receive or release myself in the public pool. Man, so you mean people release themselves in the pool? What? Well, I am scared of water, so I can't find myself in the pool. I could actually go there with friends, chill, like relaxing on the relaxing chair, not really inside the water. I might sit by the edge of the pool, but not me actually diving inside the pool or swimming or swimming or whatever it is. No, I haven't, but I'm planning to swim, but not release myself in the pool. Okay. Never have I ever been to a Disney park. I haven't, but I'm planning soon in the nearest future too. Okay? Never have I ever lied about my age. What? I'm sorry, guys. Don't think I lie. It's not like I reduced my age, not increased. No, they say ladies tend to increase their age mostly when they are being asked of their age. But my own case is a different case. Sometimes I reduce 4 years from my age, 3 years from my age. So it depends. And because of my smallish body, because they will they'll just speculate or assume. I'll just say yes, or I'll just reduce one year from the years they've mentioned just to make it slide. Okay, so it's not that it's really a big deal. That's like not really me lying about my age. I don't really lie about my age. Okay, yeah. Never have I ever pretended I was sick for attention. Oh, seriously, guys. Okay, I don't know if I should say yes because, well, yes, I have. When I was a bit younger than this, yes, I used to pretend I was sick so my dad could pamper me because he was good when he was alive. He was good in doing that, pampering us when you're sick. Anything you want, everything is at your beck and call. Like, you can send your elder ones without any complaint, that freedom. So yes, I have. But don't try it, guys. But I have, while growing up or stay younger than this. Okay, never have I ever disliked something that I cooked. Yes, I have. The first time I turned Samo, Jesus, I was like, Holy Mary, what is this? And my mom, wow, and my dad, you need to see how they were eating it, like with smiles, just encourage me so that I can do more. I could be like, nah, I ain't eating this shit. Never have I ever traveled to Europe. I haven't, but I'm hoping and I'm praying that next year I will. God's willing, okay? God would send someone and just say, hey, babe, let me take you for a vacation, okay? So I haven't, but hopefully will soon. Soonest, yes. It said, never have I ever spent more than $100 on a top. I haven't. No, I haven't. Never have I ever deleted a post on social media because it didn't get enough likes. Like, seriously? No, I haven't. If I'm to delete something, I have to remove something from my social media page, and that means I felt that stuff wasn't so nice, so I had to drop it. But not about the likes and all of that. No, I haven't. Never have I ever made a speech in front of 100 people or more. It's not really a speech per se, but it's a presentation over at school. So yes, I have. Above 100 numbers, yes, I have. Yeah, presentation made me do that. So yes, I have. It said, never have I ever run a marathon. Like, I can never. Where's the stamina? Where's the strength? I'm not good at athletics. So no, I haven't, and I'm not planning anytime soon to do that. Okay. Never have I ever wanted to be on a reality TV show. While growing up, I never thought of that, but now I have. So at this point, we have come to the end of Never Have I Ever. So guys, if this section of this video was interesting to you guys loved it, like love it, and you feel I did quite well answering the questions, I tried to be honest in my answering of the questions. So if you know you loved it, don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and share. Please tell a friend to tell another friend to tell another friend to tell another friend to come see Sally over here on YouTube, okay? And do it fit to share the link to them, okay? Be a cheerful friend and a cheerful giver and a cheerful sharer and an amazing family member that you all have been. I love you all. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.